Oranges are so good for you. Purple green, they're small and round. Grapes grow up and fall to the ground. Spiky top and golden bright. Pineapples give a taste so right. Red inside and green outside. Watermelons are big and wide. Little red and super sweet. Strawberries are a tasty treat. Golden yellow, soft and light. Mangoes make the taste buds bright. Tiny red and bouncing high. Cherries make us jump to the sky. Orange inside, black seeds too. Papayas are so good for you. Sour, yellow, fresh and bright. Lemons bring a tangy bite. Soft and fuzzy, oh so sweet. Peaches are a summer treat. Purple round and soft inside. Plums make us smile so wide. Coconuts are big and round. Inside, white and tasty found. Tiny red with bumpy skin. Raspberries make us grin. Small and round, so blue and sweet. Blueberries are fun to eat. Seeds so red, juicy pop. Pomegranates never stop.